Countryman, countrywoman. Na to read that. We didn't knock for una bam bam baradadam baradadam. Una know say Miss Cameroon baby now over the weekend. Yes, if you for Palais de Congrès for that side for Yaoundé. I pass for the now the thing that he pass fine. So they go pass place. Person way na Miss Cameroon for this year 2025 in name na Josiane Haranganda Golanga. He come on for far north. Na far north Pekin. It be Miss Cameroon. Plenty people they appreciate them. So when they say now the most beautiful Miss Cameroon, since we Miss Cameroon is that. That's so it happen. And then for top 6 now for Miss Cameroon. Una know am, if una know am, magi una. First Miss, he come on for that side. The one now to say Miss Cameroon. Okay, now that time you see for top. What I want to give me that I go make up for. Let's say I want to confuse una. So no, the team pass the way we pass. Voila, even a littoral on that. Now the final don't take place. We know the Miss Cameroon already. The Miss Cameroon, I repeat the name, Josiane Haranganda Golanga. I named that for Miss Cameroon. The ceremony, we do plenty color, traditional, all kind thing. Chantal Bia, we did it. Samuel Etofis to be day. Chantal Bia will come up for Kribi, for go bury a papa, a woman. He passed away, Eto to be day. And then Eto will come back for your own. They go again for go bury Emmanuel Kunde, that former Indomitable Lion captain, and then defender too. Better kick penalty man. So they go now for Palais. He passed final. Chantal Bia put that crown for the Miss Cameroon he hate, for Josiane he hate. And then the ceremony, plenty artists. They will sing to today. The one way he called my attention, he named na Sandrine Nanga. The way he passed fine for the way he passed fine. Now so we say congratulations for all people who take part for the event for Miss Cameroon. We work a fine for that side for Yaoundé. Countryman, countrywoman.